Check this out. Rivian. All electric. 100G Canadian. 21-inch Pirellis. Big smoking disc brakes. Look at that laptop screen. It's wicked. Wicked, wicked. Isn't that nice? Isn't that a good looking truck? And this is the gentleman that owns it. A young fella. And he says it goes like stink. Is that ever sexy? Look at that front end. Those little LED lights just light up the sky too, I bet, eh? Wow, is that ever cool?
I haven't tried it, I probably never will. But they claim it'll go 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds.
3 seconds, 0 to 60.
You gotta get a little closer look.
Nice.
Fanciest electric vehicle I ever seen.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Looking like a machine.
Cheers.